2025 is the year to take control of your financial future. Are you tired of risking money without clear results? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to build an investment strategy that not only survives, but thrives in a rapidly changing world. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share expert insights into the hottest sectors for 2025. Welcome to MoneyWise. Our mission is to simplify finance and help you achieve financial freedom. Today, we'll focus on a topic that can change your life: crafting a profitable investment strategy for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, the tips will cover are practical, research-backed, and easy to apply. Let's start by understanding why 2025 is unique for investors. The financial world in 2025 is shaped by key trends. Technological innovation, AI, and automation are revolutionizing industries. Sustainable investing, green tech, and ESG, environmental, social, governance investments are projected to skyrocket. Market volatility, economic recovery post-pandemic, and geopolitical changes are creating new challenges and opportunities. Understanding these trends is crucial. They help you identify where to invest and how to safeguard your portfolio. Start by setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? What's my time frame? What's my risk tolerance? Short-term goals, like saving for a car, need safer options like bonds. Long-term goals, like retirement, allow for higher risk investments, like stocks or ETFs. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio balances risk and reward. For 2025, consider these allocations. Stocks, focus on sectors like AI, green energy, and healthcare. ETFs and index funds, great for passive investors. Alternative assets, explore crypto, real estate, or commodities. Knowledge is power. Regularly research the latest trends. Use tools like Morningstar or Yahoo Finance to evaluate performance. Follow credible financial YouTubers. This channel included for up-to-date advice. Use apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Betterment to automate your contributions. Automation eliminates emotional decisions and ensures consistency, which is critical for long-term success. Markets change, and so should your strategy. Set a schedule to review your portfolio. Are some investments underperforming? Should you add more to profitable sectors? Regular adjustments keep you on track. Even the best strategies fail if you make these common mistakes. Emotional investing. Avoid panic selling during downturns. Ignoring fees. High fees can eat away at your profits. Choose low-cost options. Chasing trends. Always evaluate whether a trend fits your goals before jumping in. Here are the top sectors to watch. Artificial intelligence, companies driving automation and machine learning. Green energy, solar, wind, and battery storage solutions. Healthcare innovation, biotech and telemedicine are booming. Digital assets, blockchain technology beyond cryptocurrencies. These sectors are set to grow exponentially, offering excellent long-term opportunities. With the right goals, diversification, and consistent learning, you're well on your way to building a profitable investment strategy for 2025. Remember, success in investing isn't about luck, it's about preparation and discipline. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit the subscribe button. Let's grow our wealth together.